Today's video is about social media specialist job. This is a full-time remote job opportunity. So if you have some experience in social media management or marketing, you could be a good fit for this position. Here the estimated salary range is 42,500 Philippines peso per month, whereas if you convert this in INR, it will be around 63,000 rupees per month. And this is a permanent work from home opportunity, and you will be getting paid training as well. Let's discuss about the job opportunity in detail. The profile name is Social Media Specialist. This is a permanent remote job where you will be working full time from home. And here the company's name is ClearDesk, and the company is mainly into sourcing, recruiting, and management of overseas talent. And it offers jobs in different remote profiles for their clients. The company is looking for experienced social media specialists to plan, create, and implement social media and marketing initiatives for real estate agents, as well as assist with various administrative tasks. And here, if we talk about skills and experiences, the company, you should have some college degree, and the candidates must provide. They are also asking for some kind of like police clearance that you need to provide. You should be comfortable with using HubStaff, which is a time tracking application. Using this application, the company used to track their candidates that how many hours they are working. And here, okay, you should have experience in social media management and or marketing experience, photo and video photo and video editing experience, graphic design experience, and you should have professional level English, both written and verbal. You should have experience of using customer relationship management software, Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. And you should have computer or laptop with access to the internet, and minimum speed should be 25 Mbps. Your transaction coordination experience is a plus, but however, it is not mandatory. Now, if we talk about the roles and responsibilities, so as a social media specialist, you will be creating marketing materials, including brochures, flyers, leaflets, digital posters, and listing presentations, etc. You will be doing social media management and engagement. You will be updating all Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media posts and respond to followers. And as a social media manager, you will be creating social media content. You will be generating infographics and video content ideas. You will be planning and scheduling social media posts in advance using social media management tool, and growth in social media reach and connecting with investors. You will be responsible for growth in social media reach and will be connecting with investors as well. So this was it about the roles and responsibilities as a social media manager. Here, the company has asked you to submit a portfolio or work sample of social media or marketing materials you have created. So, if you already have some kind of experience into social media management, creating posts and infographics, etc., you could be a good fit for this position. And this is a full-time remote opportunity where the salary range is also good. And if we talk about hardware requirements, the company has mentioned that you should have at least a 720p HD webcam, a noise cancelling headset, at least 25 Mbps primary internet connection, a backup laptop, backup internet connection device, and backup power supply in case of power outage and emergencies. Minimum recommendation for your main computer is around Intel Core i5 or equivalent with 8 GB RAM or higher. Like minimum recommendation for your backup computer is it should be around Intel Core i3 4 GB RAM. Now let's discuss about the compensation and benefits. So for the role of social media specialist, you will be earning a competitive hourly rate which will reach 42,500 PHP or Philippines peso per month, and based on your experience. So it may vary depending on your expertise and experiences. However, if you are from India, you can expect an earning of around 50,000 to 60,000 rupees a month. And this is a permanent work from home opportunity, and you will be getting bonuses, incentives, and paid training. To apply, you can click here. So this is the application form. Here you can provide all the information, and you need to provide, are you willing to work within the US time zone? You'll be uploading your resume, NBI clearance or police clearance certificate. Cover letter, portfolio and photo are optional. So if you have, you can attach here, otherwise leave it and submit the application form. So go ahead, and if you believe that it could be a good fit for the position of social media specialist, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.